Everybody, Belinda here, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome, and thank you for joining me as well. And today I'm working on a 12 by 16 inch canvas. I am going to be trying something a little bit different, out of the ordinary, and I'll run through my colors quickly. Now if this doesn't work, well, it doesn't work, but we'll give it a go. So I'm using Mars Black, that's by B.A.D. Now in that Mars Black I've added Cyan Blue, so I have made up, it's almost like a Prussian blue or a Payne's grey kind of colour. And then I have the Cyan Blue, and here I've added, it's the Cyan Blue, but I've added a little bit of white, and I am using some Venetian Gold by Bade Art, and that would be it there. And I'm also using the Bade Art Ice Blue, and as you can see it does have a beautiful shimmer. Right, I have Liquitex Basics Quinacridone Magenta, a lot of colors, and then I have, this is actually a lemon yellow, and to it I've added some Acrylic Gold, and I did add a teeny bit of this Venetian Gold as well, which gave me this beautiful pearly shade or shimmer. Okay, and just in case, I do have more Cyan Blue, and I have titanium white, which is actually my bloom recipe. There's no silicone in any of my paints. Right, let's see how this goes. So I think first of all I'm going to add the gold here. Put a little bit on the sides, see if it works, and then I'm going to add this ice blue. So I'm expecting the ice blue and the gold to turn green, because that's what happens when you mix those colors together. Might actually just pour a little bit more. So as I said, I'm just trying this. I would really like it to work, obviously. And then I'm going in with the darker blue, almost black, or almost Prussian blue. So I'm going to put that there. And I might keep some over just in case I need it. Right, so before I add the other blues, I'm going to tilt this just as I would a normal pour. And hopefully I don't tilt all of that off, but just to be sure let's just do that. So I'm kind of looking for my blues to be kind of like an ombre effect. I was hoping my gold wouldn't just run off like it did. And then I'm just pulling it back, because as you probably know, the pulling it back is what actually creates the cells with the Liquitex. As you can see, the cells are popping up, not the Liquitex, the Bade Art. So before I carry on, I just want to make sure my corners are covered. Hopefully it will be covered properly, and then I'll give it a bit of a torch. Yeah, so as you can see, the cells are already doing their thing. Yoo-hoo! Very happy. Well, that makes me very happy. So that's exactly what I want. I want to have little teeny cells coming up there. I'm going to go over the edge here, quickly cover up my sides to a point. Now, because I've added the black into the cyan blue, it's not that transparent as it normally would be. Okay, and of course, you know, I have taped up my back underneath, so that's all good. Righty-ho, so you can watch the cells appear while I'm doing the rest of it. Okay, so now, because I want the ombre effect, I'm going to add in my transition colors. So just going over the edges quick. Right, and because I actually don't want to tilt it again, I'm going to just spread it out. Try and transition it in. It looks really cool. Nice happy colours. Right, so there is a lot there. I'm going to push it over the edge so that I can cover my sides nicely. I like that transition very much. Okay, and then I'm going in with a lighter blue. So I wasn't too sure if I was going to go in with white at the end of the transition, or if I was just going to leave it blue. I'll just transition those colours in. as you may see, there is a lot of paint on my canvas. So just pushing it off, covering the edges. And just transitioning that in. I love that these cells are popping up here, there and everywhere. Okay. So I'm currently just making sure that my end here is covered, my side. And I can afford to bring some more of this off. Right, that's all well covered. Hopefully you guys can see all these cells that have popped up here. Okay, so I'm going to give that a quick torch. Okay, so now that I have this ombre effect going on, what colour did I decide to go in with first? I was going to put down blue, but I'm just thinking, I'm going to put a bit down, just a little bit. Just so that we've got that transition going on. And then I'm going in with a magenta. Actually no, I think I'll go in with this yellow that I've made up. I might like to keep the magenta, and then I have some of this gold left, so let's use that up. Otherwise it's just going to end up sitting around in a little tub, and there's a tiny little bit there. Right, so that will probably give it the shimmer I'm after. Now I'm going in with the magenta. And that magenta is absolutely beautiful. And to top it off, the icing on the top would be the white. Because this white and this blue makes magic. Alright guys, I love it. That is so pretty. And of course, you don't forget to scrape off the edges so that it doesn't keep running. So I will give this another torch. I think I'm probably going to end up torching a little bit here and maybe a little bit there. Make sure those beautiful cells don't fall off. Wow, guys, this is so pretty. Give it a little torch there. Alright. I think I like it just the way it is. Yeah. Alright guys, I'll bring you in for a close-up. Alright guys, so this is it. I really like this. I think the cells turned out amazing. I don't suppose you can see it glistening. It has a beautiful sheen. And please excuse the studio light that's following me around. I'll try and work with it. So I just love the way these colors here transition. I think that is really pretty. Well guys, let me know down below, what do you think? The pearl cells, amazing. Now I started doing the pearl cells more than a year ago. I pretty much was, I'm pretty sure of it, the first person to ever achieve these kind of pearl cells. I know a lot of people have been doing it, but yeah. Anyway, they look beautiful. And the blue ones actually came up very nicely as well. So, show you the sides, if you can see the cells on the sides as well. Alright guys, if you're interested in any of my artwork, you can contact me on withbade@gmail.com. And again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks guys, bye.